meetup for the zoo. Ito siya yung nakakuha sa ating kahapon. Ay, hindi ko naman hindi na natin naalala. Mag-grab sana kami, pero sa sobrang layo ng grab, parang malilate na kami. Currently, it is 7:20 AM back time. Nakaabot kami. Actually, itinerary namin today is just Safari World. Tapos, parang pupunta kaming MBK. Pero honestly, medyo sawa na daw siya sa shopping. Kaya hindi namin sure kung ano talaga gagawin. Kung tutuloy pa namin yung MBK. Titignan natin. Pero dito kami sa Central World nag-meet up. Central World Hug Thai Zone. Nagtuk-tuk kami kahit na mas mahal siya. Kasi the Grab is only 170. But the tuk-tuk was 200 kasi halos lahat ng Grab dito parang super layo. So we would be late. Parang 15 minutes away from us. Wala pa yung in transit. At least yung tuk-tuk nga kasingit-singit ng a little bit. Itlit muna kami. Hello, we're at the zoo na. Alam mo pupuntahan yung monkey muna?
Yes.
Yeah. And then after that, lunch. Parang may buffet yung clock namin.
Yeah, 1 hour na lang.
Yeah, super gutom na kami. We haven't even eaten. Manatee! May manatee. First sa agenda. Apparently, nagsusuntukan sila. Oh my God!
Mr. สายลมกรี๊ดเดียวแฮะได้อยู่เลยมั้ยจูบสักเปิดกระโปรงเฮ้ยหนูไม่เอาแล้วลูกโชว์อะไรไม่ได้ไม่น่ารักเข้าใจพูดเลยโอเคครับมาทำผู้บอลของเราไอ้ปาน้ำป้ายชื่อสีเทียนแล้วก็ป้าประวัติของเขาครับนี่ครับไฟติ้งสตาร์ฟอร์มไทยแลนด์เอาละ ready
Sobrang cute nila. Emote pa rin siya. Cute. Okay, we're gonna stay in the Animal Cafe muna kasi our buffet is at 11 at 10:30 na, so it's not worth going around muna. And I've been really wanting to try this. Yeah, light coffee lang siguro. Ito yung cafe. Sayang yung gusto kong try na coffee na sa ibang cafe pala. Mukha kasi siyang giraffe. So, sa may giraffe na cafe pala yun. 11. Manatee. Meron silang milk tea. Tsaka, parang takoyaki. Pero tikoyaki yung pangalan. Themed lahat ng food. Super cute. buy the elephant's painting for 1,000 baht. It's 17 pesos. Oh my god! And so, we have a buffet in the store dito sa zoo mismo. And then, papunta na kami sa restaurant. Oh, ano yon? Fish? You know. Cool. Kapaba mo ng bridge, may mga animals. Actually, super cool dito kasi kahit nakawala lang yung animals, like, they're really chill. Hindi sila yung lumalabas or they don't even look stressed. So, I'm guessing ito na yung restaurant na may buffet. Ito pala yun. Ito parang food court nila. Yeah. Ayan, aircon. Thank God. Sobrang init dito right now. Kain na tayo. Sobrang gutom na ako. Can you imagine? This is in a zoo? Ang ganda naman. Wow! Wow. Ganda yung food. It's so cute. Parang debut. Parang may event. Ito yung nabook namin. Pero may option na walang buffet eh. Diba? Pero honestly, okay na. Naka-aircon pa. Ito yung sa first table. Bayad. Pansit. Soup and salad. Fruits and dessert. Coconut ice cream. And then, same lang to as the one kanina. Meron pa dito. Natin. What is this? Papaya salad and sticky rice. Steamed sea bass with soy sauce. Oh, baked spinach and cheese. So, for sharing na lang to, marami. Pakungka.
Love that for you.
Kasi may cheese.
Nakatapos na namin kumain. We're in Under the Water ata yung pangalan. They're eating. Ay, so cute. Buti hindi niya nakakain yung isda. They're so behaved.
Oh my god! You're so big.
Sakto. Nahanap na namin yung giraffe. 200 baht. Entry and feeding. What do they eat? Mga vegetables and fruits. Ito sila. Oh my god. So sabi sa poster, over 200 giraffe. Ay, nakabukas na yung bibig nito. Over 200 giraffes. Wow! Kanina pa yun naka-open mouth. Oh! Yo! May isa po. OMG, ang lalaki nila. Up close.
Oh, eto, yung small one then later. Okay. There, yung sumisilap. Oh!
They're so cute.
Yung tongue. Oh! Uy! Parang...
Cute na ito, nakasmile.
And ang ganda ng eyelashes niya.
Oh, so cute.
Ay.
Ay. So pretty. Hi! Wait lang. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hi!
Sinusundan ka, Monica.
Sundan ako. Meron pa kasi ako eh. Oh my gosh, ang cute. They're so pretty when you're near them. Like,
Oh my God. Sorry. Sa gitna.
Oh! Okay, done na kami sa giraffe. We're gonna go na sa dolphin show. Ano kaya gagawin nila? Julian, can I touch your feet? This is gonna be our last show for today. And then we'll have snacks in a cafe. Yeah, I bought water. What is that again?
Mixed berry.
It's yummy. How much is it? 100?
150.
Ay, medyo rich ka dun ah. Here na! Wala pa masyadong tao. Kukunin niya pa. Ay, ang cute.
Yeah, there you go. Thank you, everyone. Back. Come on. Okay. Wow. Come on.